हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आप लोगों को एक नए टॉपिक प्रोसेस ऑफ लर्निंग मैथमेटिक्स के बारे में बताऊंगा। प्रोसेस ऑफ लर्निंग मैथमेटिक्स के बारे में बताते समय मैं आप लोगों को ये बताना चाहूँगा कि 4 तरह के प्रोसेस होते हैं मैथमेटिक्स लर्निंग के लिए। ये सभी लोगों के लिए होते हैं, विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड के लिए भी, साइटेड के लिए भी। मगर विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड के लिए उसमें टीचर का और टीचिंग लर्निंग मटेरियल का काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट रोल होता है। 4 प्रोसेस टीचिंग लर्निंग मैथमेटिक्स में पहला है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एज ए प्रोसेस, सेकंड है प्रोसेस ऑफ रीजनिंग एंड प्रूफ, थर्ड है कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस और फोर्थ है प्रोसेस ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेशन। प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एज ए प्रोसेस. Problem solving as a process in order to promote higher level thinking and reasoning among children with visual impairment. Good problem solvers are confident in mathematical abilities, how to deal mathematical problems, and where the mathematical concept should be used. It can be defined in this process. This process helps visually impaired children to do mathematics in a very systematic manner so that he or she can analyze the problem systematically. This process, when time went on, the activities improved in quality, and with teacher support and communication of the work, student confidence in their abilities grow. Second process is the process of reasoning and proof. In order to help students to develop thinking in the field of mathematics, we must be given opportunities to conjectures, test these conjectures and prove or reason. This is the process of a reasoning and proof. Learning mathematics with understanding is thought to occur best in situations in which children are expected to problem solve, reason, communicate their ideas and thinking to others. A visually impaired student who possessed good reasoning can use data to make test or argue or conjecture. Mathematical investigators should begin with a question that is very general or from a set of little structured information, from which one seeks to formulate a more precise question and procedures of a number, a conjecture along the way. These conjectures and in the process forms new questions or validates the first line of the thinking. Mathematical reasoning best develops in classes that have highly interactive situations and in which teachers make possible all students' active participation in the interaction and disclosure. It is assumed that the mathematical reasoning requires direct instruction with the teacher. It is expected that a student who is good at mathematical reasoning uses a variety of reasoning methods and proofs and listen to others' mathematical thinking. For the good reasoning ability, a student should link a sequence of questions to test hypotheses, guide data searches, clarify outcome, or eliminate poor reasoning. The third is communication process. Mathematical communication is also an important characteristic of a mathematical thinker. A student who is poor in communication cannot explain his or her thinking. He or she does not have the ability to justify with examples and does not see feedback as important. Therefore, it is important for the teacher of the visually impaired to allow the students for interaction and motivate them to question, criticize and seek clarification from the teacher if needed. The student with visual impairment can easily demonstrate to explain their understanding about the mathematical concepts. It must be understood that this can be done only on the basis of atmosphere of the classroom. A student who is successful at math communication, he or she able to explain his or her thinking clearly and concisely, seeks clarification, realize it is okay to struggle in math and make mistakes, and when others come up with new ideas, ask them to explain or try to figure why that make sense. Fourth process is the process of representation. Being able to get a clear idea of what a student is thinking is often difficult unless a good explanation and representation of the solution is provided. Developing a good appropriate visual representation of the information in a problem is crucial to success problem solving. However, process of representation have an unofficial list of ways to present the problem and its solution that express thinking in variety of ways. For example, words, drawing or picture, chart, graph, as well as written explanations. A successful math student good at the process of representation, he has an unofficial list of way to represent a problem and its solution, uses a range of representation in expressing of thinking, for instance, a word, drawings, pictures, charts or other graphs, use representations to help others know exactly what he or she was thinking, how he or she figured it out, and how the problem was solved, and can move easily from one kind of representation to another and knows the right or appropriate representation to use and what to use it. Thank you very much.
पापा जी
बेटा एक सेकंड वो गायब हो गया.
क्या पापा जी
वेट बेटा, वेट.
पीपीटी क्या होता है? पीपीटी
पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन.
पावर पॉइंट से पीपीटी होता है? हाँ बताओ
बेटा एक सेकंड.